I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard, Create Integrations. Search and select a trigger Gutena Forms. Now, click on the Fetch button. Go to your contact form site and fill it out to retrieve the Gutena forms. Go back to your integration site. Here you can see that it has been successfully fetched. Set action. Search and select Affiliate. Connect with the plugin. Plugin connected successfully. Next. Choose an action. Map the respective fields. Actions and conditional logic have advanced features. You can use them as per your requirements. You can add referral status and referral type under the Action section. To complete this integration, you must log in to your WordPress account. Next. Finish and save it. Please fill in the necessary information on your form using the variable data. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Go to your affiliate dashboard. Then navigate to the referrals. You can confirm that the data has been received successfully in the referrals section. Thanks for watching.